Good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell. It is Monday, June 27th, and let's just take a look at a chart here. There were some real good trades in the E-Mini S&P 500 today. What we decided to do is we're going to do a webinar tomorrow night, Tuesday, June 28th. It's going to be me. It's going to be Craig Hill. Dr. Reed's going to be on the call. We're going to talk about the current market environment. And we've entitled it, excuse me, Beat the BREXIT Bear, okay? You don't want to be fooled in a high volatile market like we're seeing right now. Things have changed a little bit, right? So on late Thursday night, right, Britain decided to leave the EU, and so the market, as you recall on Friday, opened up just huge to the downside, and we're seeing some fallout from there, and I want to show you and get in front of you and show you exactly how we're trading this market. Now, this is the daily chart of the SSO. It's an ETF, okay? It's an ETF, and I like to trade it, okay, for bigger trades. So, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing and how I'm positioning myself. I'm going to show you a trade that I am looking to get in tomorrow morning, which is going to be Tuesday the 28th. I may get in a little bit today before the market closes. But this is the SSO. You could do this on the SPY, but I like the SSO because it's a double ETF. Okay, so as you can see, this was the fallout of Britain leaving the EU right here. Right, this is Thursday. This was Friday, right? Big gap down, closed lower. Today we opened up even lower again. Trade right here. We're getting a little relief rally here at the end of the day. It's what time is it? 3:42 Eastern Standard Time. So we'll see where this closes. But I'm actually looking to get long, either near the close if we can close closer to the low of the day. I'd be looking to get long, or tomorrow. And I'm going to show you why I would be looking to do that on a day like this, okay, and how we're trading it. We want to show you a little how we're trading on an intraday basis and how this volatility can really add to your bottom line without really giving you much more risk. Even though the market's a whole lot more volatile, if you know what you're doing and you pick your spots right, you can make a lot more money in this type of environment than in a normal environment. So again, the market's a lot more volatile than what we've seen in quite a long time, and we want to show you not only how to control your emotions and how to trade emotionally. So Dr. Reed's got a nice little presentation ready for tomorrow night, but then Craig Hill and I will also be talking about trading and some strategies that you can use. So if you're a day trader, you definitely need to attend. If you're not a day trader and you're a little longer term trader, a swing trader, you need to attend as well, because everything that we're going to give you tomorrow night will help you. I mean, I guarantee you in your trading, you need to hear us out. So I decided to call this webinar Beat the BREXIT Bear, right? Again, you don't want to be fooled in a high volatile environment that we're in right now, okay? So we hope to see you there. And I want to put on a daily, an intraday chart and kind of show you some of the trades that we had today. Let me just slide this over. Okay, this is today's E-Mini S&Ps, and the market opened up lower, of course. This is where it closed on Friday, opened up. Market did not even attempt to fill that gap whatsoever. We just started lower right out of the gate. We dropped into major support, right? We've got a lot of pivots. We've got the weekly pivot, the daily pivot. We had a range extreme here. We had a lot of things going on in here. So this was a zone in which you should have been looking to buy the market. Now, we weren't buying it as it was dropping down in here, but as the market came up to here and came down and attempted to test that low, that's where we got long and caught a nice trade to the upside here. Of course, had a nice short right in here. Okay, made a little bit of money and went sideways. Thought maybe it would go higher, but it was not able to break up through this gray action zone. Meandered a little bit, came down, and I didn't do anything until the market came down here, tested the low of the day, and gave a beautiful setup, a beautiful trade setup. and we went long right in here. Okay, so this environment is phenomenal. Now, in a normal environment, this move from this low to this high, maybe 5 or 6 points. But this move from the retest of the low of the day, I mean, look at the market came down. Look at the low of the day was 81.5. Look at where we hit, 81.5. 81.5 to 94.25. Okay, you're talking 14, practically 14 points to the upside already. That's huge, right? That's huge. That's $700 per contract. Okay, so we're going to show you some of these strategies tomorrow night. And again, we need to talk about the psychology as well. So Dr. Reed's going to be with us as well. So we're going to have a good time. Hope you join us. We'll see you tomorrow night. Click the link and register for tomorrow night. And we probably will send out a recording because I think it's going to help that many traders. Okay, so if you can't make it, please register so you can. So we'll get you that recording. Bye for now.